Who would like to read first?
Ich möchte es versuchen.
Yeah.
Stefan,
Also
sure.
meine Familie gehören vier Personen. Die Mutter bin ich und dann gehört natürlich mein Mann dazu. Wir haben zwei Kinder, einen Sohn, der 6 Jahre alt ist drei, und eine 3-jährige Tochter. Wir wohnen in einem kleinen Haus mit einem Garten. Dort können die Kinder ein bisschen spielen. Unser Sohn kommt bald in der Schule. Unsere Tochter geht noch eine Zeit lang in den Kindergarten. Meine Kinder sind am Nachmittag zu Hause. So arbeite ich nur halbtags. Eigentlich gehören zu unserer Familie auch noch die Großeltern. Sie wohnen nicht bei uns, sie haben ein Haus in der Nähe. Die Kinder gehen sie oft besuchen.
Okay, thank you so much. Next, please. Like, just give it a try. If it is like difficult to pronounce, no issue. Whatever the way you are able to pronounce, try to read it. This is very like short
Okay.
text. Yeah, please. Mhm.
Zu meiner Familie gehören vier Personen. Die Mutter bin ich und dann gehört natürlich mein Mann dazu. Wir haben zwei Kinder, einen Sohn, der 6 Jahre alt ist und eine 3-jährige Tochter. Wir wohnen in einem kleinen Haus mit einem Garten. Dort können 3 Kinder, ein
That's called de-kinder.
die Kinder,
Mhm.
ein bisschen spielen.
Mhm.
Unser Sohn kommt bald in die Schule. Unsere Tochter geht noch eine Zeit lang in den Kindergarten. Meine Kinder sind am Nachmittag zu Hause. So arbeite ich nur halbtags. Eigentlich gehören zu unserer Familie auch noch die Großeltern. Sie wohnen nicht wie uns. Sie haben ein Haus in der Nähe. Die, die Kinder sehen sie oft,
Gehen. Mhm. That's gehen. Mhm.
gehen sie oft besuchen.
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 Mhm. Okay, thank you so much. Who is left? Mm, Prithvi.
I think
Prithvi.
I'm not confident reading this.
No problem. You can try. You can try. Stefan
Okay.
is with us. She will help you if you having any problem.
Okay.
Please try.
You
Mhm.
meiner Family gehören wer Personen. Die Mutter bin ich und dann gehört natürlich mein Dau. Wir haben zwei Kinder.
Wir haben zwei Kinder. Wir haben zwei Kinder. We have two
Okay.
children. Uh-huh.
Wir haben zwei Kinder.
Mhm.
Ihnen Sohn Tertius, Yeher, Altis, Un, and uh, Drehard Toaster. Wir wohnen in einem kleinen Haus mit einem Garten. Dort können die Kinder ein bisschen spielen. Unser Sohn kommt bald in die Schule. Unsure Toaster get notched and eight ran in den Kindergarten. Mein Kinder sind Nachmittag Haus, so Arbeit ist nur halbtags. Okay, it's enough, I guess.
Oh, no problem. Thank you so much. So there is a one website,
you.
like, yeah, let me tell you, there is a website that is dict.cc. Dict.cc. So this website basically helps you, like, suppose let me remove this first. So suppose this is a German text, okay, we are struggling with the pronunciation, suppose this one. So firstly I will copy it and paste it here. It will show the meaning. It also shows, I think, the pronunciation also.
Dreijährige.
Is it audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, hear it again.
Dreijährige. Dreijährige. Dreijährige.
Okay, and the meaning of this word is 3-year-old, especially female. This word is used for female, right? And we were maybe like, there is a word gehören. It means, I think, consist of. Okay, belongs to. So suppose we are just copying this letter and going to this website and like just pasting it here. It will show the meaning along with the translation, right? To belong, gehören, to belong, to deserve, like several meanings are there. If we look into the sound,
To belong to somebody or something.
okay, and in German it sounds
Jemandem gehören, etwas gehören oder jemandem gehören, etwas
gehören.
gehören.
Okay, hope it is like helpful, right? So this way, yeah, this way, like we may check further in our next sessions. We will also go with the translation. And there are many things like here einen, it is like for numbers. Here we have soy. This is like the part of like ein, soy. We will also include our numbering session. So those things will be helpful when we will cover those stuff. That will be helpful for us in reading the text later on. But this time, like, I have asked you to read the text so that it can like give a sense, like, yes, we are learning German. We could have some kind of family. We could be familiar with some German text, right? And this is very basic. Meine family, my family, eins level text. Slowly, based upon understanding, we have certain questions also, right? So once you will start, what we will do, we will extract the meanings of the words, meanings of the German words from this text, right? And then after we will understand. Later on, after that, we will try to solve the questions also. Okay, that's all. Just give me a minute. Hi, I'm sorry for the disturbance. So this was all about today's session. Na? In our next session, similarly, we will cover 1 or 2 lectures from YouTube, and those lectures are very systematic lecture. She is like one of the recommended YouTuber. I have gone through different opinions, so I found like her channel is fine and very much important for especially for beginners. This channel has 1 million subscribers. Right, so there is around 64 lectures are there on YouTube. We will be covering in possibly 10 to 15 days. That will somehow give us, like very fundamental of German. Okay, that will all include everything from number and then direction. You can see the playlist, and it has number, it has direction, everything is there. Accusative, grammar sections, questioning sessions, yes no questions. Okay, it also includes some writing stuff. So this is all about today's session. In next session, we will go accordingly. Okay. Do you guys have any question? Gibran, Stefan.
No, no.
Keine.
Oh, done question. So this session is, I hope it is helpful. Okay. And in this way, if we continue, we are gonna improve, right? Mhm. Okay. Any suggestion? Any suggestion for the session? If any opinion, like we want to modify the session like this, because once we complete this A1, once we will finish this A1, I have like few teachers, but they are not okay to take the sessions just for 2 or 3 students. They will be taking the sessions for minimum 10 to 15 students. There is a boy who promised me to, like, hey Ahmad, bring 20 students, and then I will be taking sessions free of cost. So moreover, we can learn by our own as we are learning. And apart from that, I have a German native. He will be taking A2 session. So first we should clear this A1, and then after I may ask him to go with A2. Okay. So once again, very much thank you. Once again, very much thank you. And I will try to share the PDF of this present session. Okay. Okay.
Okay, danke.
Thank you. Sure. So we may say auf Wiedersehen, right?
Auf Wiedersehen.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I'm closing the session.